Hey, it's Wes from Printful. This week's question in our question and answer series is, can I print a football tee without getting into trouble? Negative. You can't print any official sports team apparel without getting into trouble. That's because all sports teams' logos are copyrighted. This also applies to any other copyrighted content that you might not have permission to use, such as celebrity images and brand logos. Your content must comply with the right of publicity, trademark, and copyright law. We don't print any content that infringes on intellectual property. So before you upload your designs, you're going to want to check out our acceptable content guidelines. When it comes to building your brand, it's always best to create your own unique original designs. It's going to help you stand out from the crowd, and it's going to keep your store safe and legit. If you're ever not sure about a design, it's always best to reach out to someone who specializes in intellectual property law. If you have any questions that you'd like for us to answer, just leave them in the comments. Hey, Wes from Printful here. I hope you enjoyed that video. Go check out the other videos on our channel and don't forget to hit subscribe to never miss the latest content. To get started with Printful today, just click on the link in the description below.